You need to hear this if you're a health enthusiast. If you're someone who loves taking care of your body and mind, then you know how important it is to have a bright, confident smile. A radiant smile can boost your self-esteem and make you feel more positive. But achieving that perfect smile doesn't always mean you have to rely on chemical-laden products. There are natural, simple and effective ways to whiten your teeth right at home. Want a brighter smile? Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing a set of pearly whites staring back at you. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about feeling good every time you flash that smile. And the best part? You can achieve this with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Let's dive into some natural hacks for sparkling white teeth. First up, baking soda. This humble kitchen staple is a powerhouse when it comes to teeth whitening. It's mildly abrasive, which means it can help scrub away surface stains on your teeth without causing damage. This kitchen hero can gently scrub away stains. It's been used for generations as a natural cleaning agent, and its effectiveness extends to dental care as well. Mix a teaspoon with water to form a paste and brush twice a week. This simple mixture can help you maintain a brighter smile without the need for expensive treatments. Just remember, moderation is key. But be gentle. We want to keep that enamel intact. Overbrushing or using too much baking soda can wear down your enamel, so always brush gently. Next, strawberries. Yep, those juicy red berries have malic acid, which acts like a natural astringent. This means they can help remove surface stains and brighten your teeth naturally. Mash one up, mix with a bit of baking soda and brush. This combination not only tastes great, but also works wonders for your teeth. Twice a week is all you need. Consistency is key, but overdoing it can be counterproductive. Stick to this routine and you'll start noticing a difference in no time. Oil pulling is another gem. This ancient Ayurvedic practice has been gaining popularity for its numerous health benefits, including teeth whitening. Swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 15 minutes. It might feel strange at first, but the results are worth it. Sounds weird, but it pulls out impurities and can help whiten your teeth over time. The oil acts like a magnet, drawing out toxins and bacteria from your mouth. Don't forget about good old dental hygiene. While these natural remedies are fantastic, they should complement, not replace your regular dental care routine. Brush twice a day, floss daily, and rinse with water after meals to wash away stain-causing food particles. This basic routine is the foundation of a healthy, bright smile. So there you have it. With these simple, natural recipes, you can achieve a whiter, brighter smile without breaking the bank or exposing yourself to harsh chemicals. Simple, natural, and effective. These methods are not only easy to follow, but also safe for your teeth and overall health. Keep smiling and stay healthy. Remember, a healthy smile is a happy smile. Embrace these natural tips and let your confidence shine through every day.